30 different modes of transportation kids must know.
1. Airplane.
Airplane.
Airplanes can take us to far-off destinations in a short amount of time. 2. Train.
Train.
Trains are a comfortable way to travel long distances. 3. Bus.
Bus.
Buses are an affordable way to travel with many stops along the way. 4. Car.
Car.
Cars give us the flexibility to travel at our own pace and make our own stops. 5. Boats.
Boats.
Boats are a unique way to travel on water to reach islands or coastal destinations. 6. Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Helicopters are a thrilling way to see a city or mountain range from above. 7. Submarine.
Submarine.
Submarines can take us deep into the ocean to explore marine life. 8. Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloons give us a peaceful way to float above the earth and see beautiful views. 9. Rickshaws.
Rickshaws.
Rickshaws are a traditional mode of transportation in some countries. 10. Cable car.
Cable car.
Cable cars are a fun way to travel up mountains and see breathtaking views. 11. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycles are a popular mode of transportation in some countries and can zip through traffic. 12. Tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuks are a three-wheeled taxi used in some countries, often used to navigate narrow streets. 13. Camel.
Camel.
Camels are a traditional form of transportation in some desert regions. 14. Dog sled.
Dog sled.
Dog sleds are used in northern regions to travel through snowy terrain. 15. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboards are a popular mode of transportation for short trips in some cities. 16. Rollerblade.
Rollerblade.
Rollerblades can be a fun way to travel on smooth surfaces. 17. Scooter.
Scooter.
Scooters are a popular mode of transportation for short trips in some cities. 18. Segway.
Segway.
Segways are a unique way to travel and explore cities with minimal effort. 19. Paddleboard.
Paddleboard.
Paddleboards can be a fun way to travel on calm waters. 20. Surfboard.
Surfboard.
Surfboards can be used to travel along the coast and catch waves. 21. Snowmobile.
Snowmobile.
Snowmobiles are used in snowy regions to travel through the snow. 22. Jet skis.
Jet skis.
Jet skis can be used to travel on water at high speeds. 23. Hang glider.
Hang glider.
Hang gliders can be used to soar through the air and see beautiful views. 24. Paraglider.
Paraglider.
Paragliders can be used to glide through the air and see beautiful views. 25. Zipline.
Zipline.
Zip lines can be used to travel through forests or over canyons. 26. Horse.
Horse.
Horses are a traditional mode of transportation in some countries and can be used for long-distance travel. 27. Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephants are a traditional mode of transportation in some countries and can be used for safaris or short rides. 28. Ferry.
Ferry.
Ferries can be used to travel to islands or coastal regions. 29. Gondola.
Gondola.
Gondolas are a traditional mode of transportation in Venice, Italy, and can be used to travel through waterways. 30. Tram.
Tram.
Trams are a popular mode of transportation in some cities and can be used for short trips or city tours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support our creations. Give us a thumbs up and share. Thank you. See you.